In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken images in WordPress after migration. We all know that moving a WordPress site from one domain or server to another can be a complex process. During this transition, one common issue you may encounter is broken images. These occur primarily because URLs in your content might still reference the older domain rather than the new one. But don't worry, these problems can be resolved quite easily with some simple steps. First, let's tackle the issue of outdated URLs. To resolve this, you'll want to use a plugin like Better Search Replace. This plugin is a lifesaver for anyone needing to update a large number of URLs in WordPress. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to the Plugins section and look for Better Search Replace. Click to install and activate the plugin. This plugin will allow you to search for all instances of your old URL throughout the content of your site and automatically replace them with the new URL. It's an efficient way to ensure all your images, links, and references point to the right place. Once installed, you can follow the simple prompts provided by the plugin to complete the search and replace operation. This should swiftly resolve any URL-related issues. Next, even after you've updated the URLs, you might notice that images aren't displaying correctly in terms of size. This can often happen during migration, resulting in images appearing either too large, too small, or not at all. To fix this, you'll need another plugin known as Regenerate Thumbnails. This plugin helps to regenerate all your image sizes that WordPress may need. To install the Regenerate Thumbnails plugin, go back to your WordPress dashboard into the Plugins section once more and search for it by name. Installation is straightforward. Just click to install and then activate the plugin. Once active, head over to the Tools section in your WordPress dashboard where you'll find the option for Regenerate Thumbnails. Once there, you'll see an option titled Regenerate All Thumbnails. By clicking this, the plugin will begin to generate new sizes for all your images based on the current settings of your theme. This process can take a little time, depending on the number of images present on your site, so be patient while it completes. By the end of it, thumbnail sizes should match the demands of your new site environment, resolving any display issues. And that's it. You should now have a site full of images that display correctly and whose URLs direct to the right place. By following these steps and using these essential plugins, you can efficiently fix broken images in WordPress after migration, helping your site to display content beautifully and accurately. Thanks for tuning in, and happy troubleshooting.